Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today's video is all about one of my favorite plant genus, Philodendron. Today I will be showing my Philodendron collection with you. I am fond of all philo varieties. All have unique leaf shape, color, texture and pattern. These philodendrons make a wonderful accent in any home setting without any trouble. Each variety has beautiful leaf pattern. So the main characteristic of philodendrons are their lush glossy leaves that can add touch of tropical vibes to indoors. They are from tropical rainforest area, fan of humidity and happy with medium to bright indirect light. And as shade, they are less demanding, or I would say not demanding at all. There are so many varieties in philodendrons, and you know what is more interesting? Each variety is different from the other. So in this video, I will be sharing some rare and some most popular philodendrons that I have at my place. Before we start the video, I want to remind you to follow us on Instagram for more plant updates and stories. I'm sure you would like it. My Instagram handle is gardenvibes14. If you want plant that is always showing off, this is it. These strip leaves are so gorgeous. I love this plant, especially its foliage pattern. The detailing is so incredible, seems like someone has painted these leaves, and it has smooth texture and variegation. If you want more white leaves and strip leaves, then just give it more bright indirect light. It is non-climbing upright variety, compact variety, perfect for small spaces and shelfies. The growth rate is also quite good. It thrives in bright filtered light. Indoor it can be placed close to a window, and like other house plant, it is also sensitive to overwatering. Philodendron silver salt. How incredible are those huge leaves! I have wanted this plant for a long time and I'm so happy I finally got it. I recently brought this from the local nursery, and what I like more about this plant is the way the leaves are. Their silvery shade, huge size, smooth texture and unique pattern. I have an extreme liking for this kind of silvery foliage. Those leaves in the natural sunlight are all shimmery. This plant is so gorgeous. It is beautiful plant to add to your plant collection. Philodendron hopesalum. This lovely plant has eye-catching sculptural leaves. It is easy to care for, unique houseplant to add some wild tropical vibes indoors. These foliage look lush and wild. I love their growing pattern. They give tropical jungle vibe to the space. You need to rotate the pot every few days for even growth in all directions. Philodendron bulb max. It is one of the most famous, bushy, good-looking houseplant with bright, shiny, heart-shaped leaves. I would say it is one of the fast-growing philodendron variety, and this plant is a great option to add lot of greenery, particularly in the corner of living room or balcony. It is the perfect plant. Happily thrives in medium light. It makes a lovely statement piece in the living room. Philodendron Calkin Gold. It is very unique, rarely find philodendron. I recently brought it from local nursery and I am really happy with this because it is growing well. You can see here new leaf is unfurling. I am totally in love with this plant. It has interesting long lace shaped bright lemon color foliage with streak of lime green on leaves which make this plant prettier. This plant needs a pole to grow vertically. If you love bold and bright foliage, then this is the plant you must grow. If you are looking for trailing plants that are fast growing, then try out Philodendron lemon lime and Brazil. Philodendron Brazil is fun trailing variety, features heart-shaped leaves in different shades of green and yellow. Brazil shows its variegation best in medium to bright indirect light. Although it can survive in lower light conditions, but it will lose its variegation. This lovely climber is Philodendron lemon lime. I am totally obsessed with these bright lemon heart-shaped leaves. It is best climber to add pops of color to your green balcony. These two climbers just survive so flawlessly. To me, they are beautiful classic plant everyone should have in their plant collection. To make them bushy, trim out their leggy growth and use those cuttings for propagation purpose. Next is the stunning vine Philodendron micans. Also known as velvet leaf philodendron, is one of the most beautiful, unique and faster growing philodendron that I have. Love this gorgeous deep green velvety leaf with bronze tinge that shines in the light, and also the underside of the leaves is reddish. If you touch, it has velvety texture. It likes medium to bright indirect light, but they are very sensitive to overwatering, so water them carefully. If you are a fan of exciting foliage on plant, then micans make a perfect addition to your plant collection. This exotic looking plant has gorgeous, glossy, interesting foliage. What I more like about this plant is its upright growing habit, which is spread out, showing its beautiful leaves. It doesn't need any care, grow effortlessly, and need medium to bright indirect light. Next is this attractive tropical looking plant with huge leaves, Philodendron Rojo Congo. Did you know that it gets the name Rojo from its new leaves which unfurl in deep shiny red? However, as the leaves mature, they will fade to burgundy green color. Rojo in Spanish is red. It is quite large-leaved philodendron. I really like its unique color and pointed leaves. This philodendron can be a great option if you have been searching for something to add colorful accent to your home or office. Next is Philodendron pedatum. It is one of my favorite philodendron. Its foliage pattern is so beautiful and unique. It is one of the fast growing and less demanding philodendron. You can easily propagate this one by putting the cutting into the soil or in water. A couple of months before this one, I propagated it in water and it's growing beautifully now. This is the mother plant. The way it grows so fast and lush really makes me happy. That's all philodendrons that I have at my home right now. Do let me know which variety is your favorite one below in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to Garden Vibes and also follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care and happy gardening.